Hey, this is me coming back from my weekend getaway to what? 6 business checks. Yep, you heard that right. 6 business checks. Anything is possible in this life, right? If we believe, if we take a step forward and trust God to guide us, okay? I have always had big dreams in life, and that's why I have transitioned from, CNA to registered nurse to nurse practitioner, right? Yet I had bigger dreams to be my own boss, to work smart and not harder, to be there to raise my kids because I have 2 girls under the age of 5. This technology you see right here is getting better and better each day. People are taking advantage of it to build legacies for themselves and for their families, so don't just sit there and give excuses, okay? Because guess what? Excuses will keep us on the same spot. Through this business, there is almost zero balance on all my credit cards. I used these same credit cards to better my life, and here I am today, giving my testimonies. So don't be scared to use a credit card or take a loan, right, when opportunities show up that will change your life. But make sure you do it wisely, okay? Be smart in how you do it. So I give God all the glory, and also, right, our main company has given out over $1 million in bonuses already to new business owners. That has been done in over a month. And guess what? There is $1 million left to be given out to new business partners. So are you ready to take advantage of this to start your business? Or do you want to keep giving excuses? Anyway, I know that decision may seem difficult, right? But it's totally possible, okay? Plus, this is a business that you can be able to do alongside your full-time job because it's totally flexible. This business has been life-changing, not only in the doors it has opened, but in how it has brought together so many people from all over the world who genuinely support one another's dream, right? To our incredible CEOs, to the coaches, to the mentors, to all my mentees, thank you. Thank you for everything you do, for your vision, your dedication. All of that has created a space where so many people have found purpose, right? People have found growth. They have found a community built on love. Here's to many more years of inspiring and empowering others. We have been changing lives for over 8 years. So happy anniversary to us, right? And if you want to be part of this incredible team, we are here to guide you through. Remember, time waits for no one. So let's make use of it while we can. Okay? May God bless you.